Asian countries flag Afghanistan, Kabul, Afghani, Basseterre, Delhi, Armenia, Yerevan, Diram, Armenian, Azerbaijan, Baku, Manet, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Manama, Bahrain, Dinar, Arabic, Bangladesh, Tanzania, Bangla, Bhutan, Symphony, Zonga, Brunei, Bandar-Seri Begawan, Brunei, Dalam, Malak, Cambodia, Phnom Penh, China, Beijing, Sydney, Mandarin, Zambia, Atlanta, Zagreb, India to be Hindi English. Indonesian Indonesian to be Indonesian. Iran Indian. Russian. Iraq Baghdad Dinar Arabic. Israel Taslim Shekel Hebrew Arabic. Mali Rufia Rishi. Mongolia Iran Beta Mongolian. Ugra Mongolian. Nepal Kathmandu Nepali. Rupi Nepali. Oman, Muscat, Omanian, Arabic. Pakistan, Urdu, Pakistani Rupee. Islamabad, Pakistani Rupee, Urdu. Turkmenistan, Ashgabat, Turkmenistani, Turkmen. Metal Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi, Emirates Freedom, Arabic. Uzbekistan, Tashkent, Uzbekistani Som. Uzbek, Vietnam,